Hi guys, today I will show you how to make your baby cereal using only just 4 ingredients. Here I have oats, and this is the container where I store it. I just take from here and prepare my porridge or my baby cereal. And another thing I will be making use of is almond nuts. I've already took off the skin, and this is how I do that. I just pour it in a container, add boiled water, and after that I will allow it to stay for 5 seconds. Once it's 5 seconds, I will start taking off the skin of the almond nut. You can pour away the water if it's too hot for you, and you can start peeling off the skin. You can as well pour cold water to ease. Use your palm and rub it to take out the skin. And once you are done taking out the skin, it should be looking like this. Spread under the sun for days to dry up. After 3 days, it should be dried up. I will also be using goji berries. This is not a must. If you don't have this goji berry, you can use any other dry fruits you can find. I add the dry fruit for it to give it some taste and aroma. And I also be using this dried mango. Like I said earlier, you can substitute the dry mango and the goji berries and use any other dry fruits of your choice. Meanwhile, have you subscribed to my channel? Please, if you've not subscribed, kindly do that and give this video a thumbs up. We start by toasting the oats, and I'll be using total of 4 cups, but I'll be toasting it batch by batch. But this recipe I use total of 4 cups. After adding the first set, I will start stirring it, and I will allow it to fry for about 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, I will take it out and I will finish up with the remaining oats. The next thing I'll be toasting is the almond nut. Almond nut has this sweet taste when you toast it, but you can put it that way without toasting it. I'll be using total of 1 cup. This my measurement cup is just half cup. So if you want to measure out 1 cup with it, you have to measure it twice. Though it's not up to 1 cup because I ate small from it, but it's supposed to be 1 cup. That's the measurement if you want to follow my measurement. So I will stir it for 5 minutes till it is well toasted without burning. Then I will take it out. I will just spread everything in the tray so that it will cool down a bit before blending it. Then the next thing I will do once it has cooled down is to measure in other ingredients we need for this recipe. I will start with measuring in the goji berries, which is half cup. So I'll be putting half cup of goji berries. As you can see, this is half cup. Then for the mango, my mango doesn't have measurements, but I will say like half cup. This is the quantity I will be using. I will pieces it so that it will be easy for my blender to blend. Right now, I will start pouring everything inside my blender and I will blend it smooth. Yeah, I forgot to tell you that I dried the mango a bit more because when I bought it, it wasn't that dry. So I had to dry it again under the sun. After blending everything, I will combine it together so that the mixture will be homogeneous. I put it aside and allow it to cool down before storing it in a container. This is the container I normally use. You can see the last one that I made for my baby still inside there. A little bit is still inside there. So I'll be pouring in this one now to store it, and this can stay for long. Since this recipe was prepared with only dry ingredients, this recipe can stay forever. But when giving it to your baby, Don't allow it to stay for more than 4 months. You can start giving your baby this cereal from 6 months. My baby is a year and 6 months now, and he has been taking this cereal from when he was 6 months old, and he loves this a lot. And you guys know the benefits of taking oats, goji berries, and almond. Your baby's brain will just be sharp. This is how to prepare it. Just pour in boiled water to it and mix it to the consistency your baby wants. If your baby wants it thick, allow it to be thick. If your baby doesn't like thick porridge, make it to be watery. And you add milk and you are good to go. That is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you find this helpful. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up until I come your way again. Bye.